Hi, everybody. My name is Ike, and this is Alastair. We're with Ephesoft. Ephesoft is a California-based company. Our job is to extract meaning from the content. We specifically focus on the content in unstructured content in your business documents. And today we're going to talk about commercial KYC, know your customer. And Ephesoft name comes from Ephesus, by the way. It's an ancient city at the other end of the Silk Road, who started in Xi'an, China. So today, hopefully, we're going to build a new Silk Road, virtual one, from Hong Kong to California. Now, our platform is all about correlating the data from the documents to other systems that you may have in your bank. And that's what we're going to focus on today. We're going to show you how we do that. Now, let's pretend Alastair is a KYC analyst at a large bank. And his job is to look at the transactions, like onboarding, on account activity, and make sure that these transactions are legit. Now, on the left-hand side, on the top, you see the donut, where you can look at the green items, where all the transactions are marked as good. He still needs to review them, but they're good. But we can focus on the red one, where the risks are. In the let's pick up one of the companies that who applied for a $50 million commercial loan. This is a Grasshopper Inc. It's a multi-billion-dollar multinational supplier company. Now we can look at the documents that this company provided us for to support this loan application, and dig deeper into it. You can see on the map, we located all their suppliers from the documents they supplied. And one of those is in Ukraine. And so you can see there are some yellow ones, green ones, and red ones. We can drill down into the details of those and then just sort by the risk level and then find out the details of that agreement. Below, you see that we were able to extract the data from their documents, specifically for the prices that they charge for their goods. So one of the supplier contracts, for example, mentioned a good. We can mark that up and compare it against the benchmark, maybe historical data or other outside sources. And if we lay over on top of what the supplier is charging versus what the benchmark is, we can look at the deviation. And if the deviation, in some cases, 400%, that's a red flag for Alastair to look, because this company might be doing money laundering with that contract, or it's undervaluing or overcharging. Now, the real data, the punchline here is where this data is coming from. It's not coming from your databases or customer systems. It's coming from documents. So if you look at the system, our system, our platform, can classify the documents that are into invoices, commercial contracts, board of directors signature lists, and go further details onto these documents and extract data. For example, if you look at a contract, we can find out where the supplier is located in Crimea. And this is about 10 pages document. We can also look, our platform was able to extract the value, amount of the price of the good that those two companies have negotiated. And then as I showed earlier, you can actually compare that to the other data you may have. Another document that we may be able to look is maybe board of directors signature list. In this case, we were able to capture all their board of directors, and one of them is Elizabeth Harvey. Now, you're going to say, how can I use this information to help Alastair? We have ways to show the data that was captured in other means that nobody else can. So if I take you to our mind map view, in mind map, we can search for Elizabeth Harvey, and Elizabeth Harvey will show up, of course, as board of directors in one company and all the other companies she's serving with. And we can actually look at other people that are serving in the same board of directors on the other company. So basically creating the third level connections. And if one of those people are in the watch list of your bank or government, we can find where Alastair needs to go dig some dirt up, if that makes sense. Now, in conclusion, I hope you see we are all about getting the data out of your documents and correlating that data with outside the databases that you may have. And that's the insights that we drive. Our technology, of course, can be utilized in any of the document-intensive processes. But today, I would like to show you our platform, how we can help you on the commercial KYC. Please come visit us on our booth, and we'd love to be the best of the show as well. Thank you.